How to use AirDrop on your iPhone or iPad. Want to share photos, videos, and files instantly without cables or apps? With AirDrop, you can wirelessly send high-quality content from your iPhone or iPad to nearby Apple devices, fast and easy. Let's walk you through how it works. Before you begin, make sure both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Also, turn off personal hotspot if it's active, as it can block AirDrop. And most importantly, keep the person you're sharing with close by. AirDrop only works within range. Let's say you want to send some pictures from your Photos app. Open the app and tap Select, then choose the images you'd like to share. Tap the share icon, then select AirDrop. Nearby Apple devices signed in with your Apple ID will appear under My Devices. If the person you're sharing with is in your contacts, their device will show up under People. If they're not in your contacts, ask them to make their device visible. On their iPhone or iPad, they should open Control Center, press and hold the Network Settings card, then tap AirDrop and select Everyone for 10 minutes. Once their device appears on your screen, tap to share. They'll get a prompt to accept or decline the transfer. And if either of you walks out of AirDrop range mid-transfer, don't worry, the content will continue sending securely over the internet, as long as both devices are signed into iCloud. Once the photos arrive, they'll automatically open in the recipient's Photos app, ready to view, edit, or save. And that's how easy it is to send photos with AirDrop, wirelessly, securely, and in full quality.